Did you know that rasam rice is not just a dish but comforting experience enjoyed by millions across India? Today we are diving into this ultimate rasam rice recipe that will elevate your mealtime and bring warmth to your table. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and get into making rasam powder first. And for that we will roast some basic spices like Chana Dal, Coriander Seeds, fenugreek seeds, black pepper, cumin seeds, dried red chilies, curry leaves with a teaspoon of ghee. You will toast them until they are fragrant, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to keep stirring so that they don't burn. Once they are nice and toasty, let them cool for a bit before grinding. You can even store this powder for a month or two. Now let's quickly add in a cup of washed tur dal and 3 tomatoes with a turmeric powder in a pressure cooker. Cook them up to 3 whistles. Once it is done, mash it, add a cup of water and make it ready for tadka. Now onto rasam itself. In a pan, heat some oil and add few mustard seeds. Once they start popping, toss in the curry leaves, crushed garlic, a hint of hing and turmeric powder for an aromatic start. After that, add your mashed dal followed by rasam powder. Then comes the secret weapon, a tamarind pulp. Mix it with water, let it simmer and don't forget to season it with a pinch of black pepper, jaggery and a salt to balance the acidity. To give that extra magic, top in some fresh coriander leaves and squeeze lemon juice right before serving. This little touch elevates the dish, adding brightness and freshness. I am enjoying this with steamed rice and now it's your turn. I would love to hear about your own rasam rice variation. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out my other videos for more delicious inspirations. Happy cooking, and I'll see you soon.